Okay, now let's see how we can connect the projector to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Go to settings, you'll see networking settings. First, let's see how to connect it to Wi-Fi settings. Then the moment you click on it, you'll see all the available networks. You can select any which one you want, and the moment you click on it, you'll get connected to it. So now let's come to the Bluetooth one. Go to Bluetooth settings, on, switch it on, then you'll get the list of available devices. Okay, so now let's talk about the keystoning. This projector comes with auto keystoning. As you can see, if I move it upwards, it will automatically adjust the keystoning. Also, if I don't like it how it looks to me right now, I can do it manually as well. I'll simply go to the settings, projection settings, then go to keystone correction, switch off the auto mode. Then the moment you switch it off, there will be manual down keystone correction. Click on it, then you will see 4 points. Now you can adjust those according to you. If, for example, I want it to be at a bit higher level, I can do that. A bit to the right, then it's okay for me. Then I'll adjust this one, then this, then this. I guess it's good for me now. Then I'll just go back. This is how you'll adjust the keystoning manually.